celebrated 100th day of teaching in school. I'm 100 days smarter. I'm 100 days brighter. I'm 100 days sharper. So let's celebrate by making a party glasses and a party necklace. We need a circle stencil, a eraser, a pencil, and a cardboard. So let's take a little bigger size, not so bigger. So let's take like the medium size and make a circle. Now make a little smaller circle from that circle inside that big circle. But you need to put it in the middle. And now mark 1 centimeter. And make 2 lines of 1 centimeter. And now make 1 more 0, like that. Glasses, but you need to make 1 to make it into 100. Glasses. Don't know temple? Temple are these things that stick it on your ears. So for that you need to make 1 line to 11. Make 1 more, a little flower, but a little smaller than that one. Now we are done our glasses. Now let's decorate it. We are going to decorate rainbow only, or you could do whatever you want. So if you're doing rainbow, make a tilted line. nipples. This is how it looks like. I hope yours is done. Now we're going to make the necklace. So, you need a yellow piece of paper. Beautiful as my necklace is looking. Hope you enjoyed this video. Keep watching my videos and see you next time. Bye! Today we have completed 100 days of teaching in school. It's 100 days of teaching in school. I am 100 days sharp. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.